For today's math lesson, mag-a-add tayo ng dissimilar fractions. Kahapon, pinag-aralan natin kung paano kumuha ng LCD. Kailangan natin yon para makapag-add and subtract ng dissimilar fractions. Number 1, ang denominators natin ay 2 at 3. Nag-skip counting na ako. Ang least common number nilang dalawa ay 6. So ito ang LCD natin. So ganito lang. We have here 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3 times 1, 3. Copy the operation. 6 divided by the second denominator, which is 3, is 2 times 1, 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Copy the denominator. Number 2, our denominators are 5, 6, and 3. Nag-skip counting na ako rito. Ang least common number nilang tatlo ay 30. So ito ang LCD natin. So we have here 30. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 times 3, 18. Copy, minus 30 divided by 6 is 5 times 1, 5 pa rin. Plus 30 divided by 3 is 10 times 4, 40. Equals 18 minus 5 is 13. 13 plus 40 is 53. Copy the denominator, 30. I want you to try number 3. For more quick math lessons, follow me here on TikTok.